Imagine your phone dropped, and cracks start fixing themselves in seconds. This is not magic. Scientists have invented materials that heal themselves just like your skin does after a cut. This is not sci-fi. Researchers are already testing self-healing plastics, glass, and even concrete that grows new crystals when it cracks. They use tiny chemical bonds hidden inside the material when it breaks. These bonds snap back together, sealing the crack on their own. Imagine roads that repair their own potholes, cars that fix their scratches, even buildings that heal after an earthquake. If this happens in the future, we could live in cities that never look old. Every scratch, crack, and chip repairing itself automatically. Share this with a friend who always breaks his phone.